Hi everyone and welcome. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial video on how to assemble these seed packets. You can find these in my Etsy store. I'll link them down below if you're interested. But I really paid a lot of attention to detail when I was creating these. So this one's for cauliflower. It's got information about the cauliflower on the front and then the seed packet as well. And then on the back, I also put information related to planting, this one being cauliflower. This one is spinach, so the back information is actually related to spinach. So before I get too far into the tutorial, I just want to let you guys know that there is a freebie down in the description box. These are 2 free seed packets. So you get one for tomato, and this is the same case scenario. It's got the image on the front with the tomato, as well as information about when you want to grow tomatoes from seed. It's also listed on back. And then this is for bell pepper with the same kind of information. So make sure to grab that down in the description box before you guys go today. Now, as for things that you're going to need to be able to print this at home, you do need some kind of printer. You'll also need some kind of printer paper. So I always get the question, what do I print it on? And for these ones, it doesn't really matter. I personally printed it on just regular printer paper because of the application I'm going to be using it in. So I'm going to be using it in my fall planner journal. So because of that, I needed them thin. So that's why I printed on that. But these also work on cardstock. It's whatever your heart desires and whatever you're using it for. So you guys can decide what you want to use it on. Now, you will notice on the back of these, I didn't print the double-sided. So if you purchase the kit, you'll get extra background paper that you can print on both sides if you want to. If you don't want this white right here, you can print it on both sides. But and you can also use files you have at home. If you already have background papers like digitally or whatever the case may be, you can print it on the back side. You don't need to use the ones that are come in the kit. Now, a couple of things about assembly is that this little circle right here is 1.5 inches. So I used my hole punch. I didn't center this one right, so you can kind of see it's a little off. But you can use this. When I designed them in Illustrator, I made it so it's 1.5 inches. So if you're better at aiming than I am, you can actually cut it right. So see here, I did use the 1.5 inch hole punch, and it was able to make a nice clean circle for me. But it's not necessary. Then for gluing, you can use any kind of just liquid glue, glue stick, or for today I'm going to be using double-sided tape. So this is 3/8 inch tape, double-sided tape, and I'm going to be using it on these glue flaps on the side. And the reason why is because when I created these, I created them at 1/2 inch, and the 3/8 work really well for the edge. If you go with the 1/2 inch tape, it can go over and it kind of drives me insane. So I stick with the 3/8 inch and it works great. So at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and start folding. And I do have the fold lines there for you guys. It might be kind of hard to see based on the sides here, but you'll know, just follow the design. And I didn't bring out my scoreboard for these because they're super easy to fold. Now, when you're folding these, try to be careful how you fold them. Make sure to try to stay on the line, because when you are done folding, you're going to want to close this up and make sure that everything falls in line, and you want to make adjustments before you glue them down. So you can see I cut my little side here a little short, so that's the normal size, but it still works. So once you get everything folded, like I was saying, you're going to want to check to make sure everything is aligned appropriately. So fold it in, open, and now that it's laying down, you can see nothing's peeking through. The lines are pretty square. So at this point, I just take my bone folder and score it down. Beautiful. So when you get to this point, you need to decide, are you going to do any kind of inking on the edges? And let me tell you why you want to try to do this before you assemble. Now, I think I did this one. Yeah. So when you start inking, if you do it before you assemble, you risk getting it on here. And if that doesn't matter to you, then go ahead and ink when you're done. But if it does, then go ahead and ink now. So that way you don't make a mess of it like I do. Now, before I forget to tell you, I do want to mention that these are actually 3 inches. Can you see the measurement on the board? So that's the 3 inch mark by 2 inches. So in case you're curious on the size on those, that's what that is. Now, when it comes to gluing down or taping down or whatever that you're going to do, what you're going to want is it to be laid flat with the image up facing you. And then take whatever you want to glue it down with. In this instance, I'm going to be using the double-sided tape. So just apply your tape, and this is pretty basic. Again, you just all right, so once you have your once you have your tape down, just give it a good press. And of course, if you're using glue, you can skip this part. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so I have my glue sides down. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to flip it over and then fold up the bottom part. It's actually easier if you do this on the table. So, and then I fold over the other side onto the bottom glue tab. Then once I have that, I flip it towards me and I take the image side and I fold it over, trying to make sure that it still stays square. And then I give it a good push down with the bone folder. And just like that, it is all done. Like I said, it's so easy to put together this project. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, but I have half my designs have the square top, while the other ones have a round top. So you'll see that there is 2 different designs in this kit. So that is it for this. Make sure you guys go ahead and grab your freebie down below. I don't want you guys to miss out on that. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about any of this, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And you guys have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.